And I believe, personally, I believe that there are really ghost projects, not even before 2022.
What do you mean, sir? Can you repeat that? Not even, you believe there are ghost projects even before 2022?
I believe so.
Okay, so if that is so, ang DPWH Secretary noon, before tumakbo po siya, ay yung kasama niyo po sa Senado, si Senator Mark Villar, hindi ho ba?
Yes, yes, I know. Yun paniwala ko lang.
Oo. Yeah. In fact, it's good you point that out, sir. Kasi right now, ang nakikita pa lang natin 2022 to 2025. Pagka pumunta kayo doon sa earlier years, doon po papasok yung time during the Duterte administration under your colleague, Senator Mark Villar. All right. So,
Alam mo, Pinky, minsan hindi nalalaman ng sekretary yan eh. No? Yung mga nasa taas eh. Ang mga gumagawa ng pera, yung mga nasa baba. Yung mga regional director, district engineer, baka hindi na pinapaalam doon sa nakakataas. Yun ang naging sistema.
that's why meron pong mga lumabas na mga pangalan kanina, especially in Bulacan, regarding the first district engineer sa probinsya, a certain Henry Alcantara, sir. Lumabas po yung pangalan niya at Norberto Santos, yung pong nakatoka sa inspection ng quality control ng mga proyekto.
Yes, I was the one who moved that this Mr. Norberto Santos, who's in charge of the monitoring, be invited in the next hearing.
Yeah. Could you kindly explain to us, Senator, paano ho ba sa inyong, siguro, how we can easily understand paano nangyayari ang corruption? Kayo na po nagsabi kanina, not necessarily nasa taas yan. Pwedeng nag-uumpisa ho yan talaga sa baba. How does it happen, sir?
I don't know, kung di nila ipapaalam sa taas, di sila kumikita.
Pero ibig ko sabihin, from the time that the budget, it is part of the budget, sir.
One more thing, alam mo minsan maraming mga kasabot dyan. Yung DE, District Engineer, Regional Director, pati COA kasabot dyan.
District
Kasi-
Engineer, COA.
Kung papayagan ng COA yan kung wala sila natatanggap. Alam mo, I've been mayor for 9 years. Alam ko yan.